You're watching how to delete all data from Health app. Open the Health app and tap your profile picture or initials in the top right. Scroll down and select Health Details. Tap Edit in the top right. Here you can delete personal info like birth date, but not all data. To delete all health records, go back to your profile and tap Apps and Services. Tap on each connected app like Fitness or a medical provider and select Delete all data from app. This removes data imported from those sources. For data recorded by your iPhone, you must delete each category manually. Go to the Browse tab at the bottom. Select a category like Activity. Tap Show All Data. Tap Edit in the top right. Then select each entry and tap Delete. Confirm. Repeat for every category: heart rate, sleep, etc. There is no Delete All button. Alternatively, you can turn off tracking for all categories. In the Browse tab, tap a category, then Data Sources and Access. Turn off all devices and apps. This stops new data but doesn't delete old data to erase everything. The fastest way is to reset your iPhone. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset all content and settings. This deletes all data, including health data, and restores your iPhone to factory settings. Ensure you have a backup of other important data first. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.